What is up, my guys? So guess what? We better do the room tour. Norwegian Encore. You already know. You can't really see it, but it's 107, 10, 110. Okay. So we're gonna start with the door. Ooh la la, look at this beautiful door. Oh my gosh. You know, we got the little peephole right there. You already know, we got the scanner thing. We got keyhole, even got the handle shiny. You already know. So I recently discovered that the key scans if it's in here. And like, I was not expecting that, but you know, see that? Boom, green. Oh my, did you open the door?
Welcome.
You scared me. I was just opening the door and I thought, I didn't know you were gonna be there. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the hooks. Like, just look at these hooks. So well made, round, perfect for hanging stuff, like this lanyard. And also your emergency instructions right on the back of the door, on the other side of the peephole. So you already know. All your emergency stuff are right there. And then those lights on the outside, if you want them to make up the room, you click this one right here that says make up room. And if you want them to not disturb, you just click that one. It says do not disturb. And then right here is the light thing. So like when you put your card in there for the light and stuff, yeah. And then next thing, boom, the bathroom. And also, there's a mirror right next to it. You already know. Oh wait, light switch. Aha! So, here we have luxurious towels. Because you already know. This is what cruise lines are all about, the towels. And then we have our hand soap, cleanse hand soap, green. You already know, all that green tea essential oil, you're getting it in your hand soap. And then, I honestly have no idea what this is. I think it's cups for something. You can't take them out though, but I think it's so you put stuff in it, but I'm not sure. Sink, hot and cold, yes and no. Oh, this is a soap thing. We're gonna put that over there. Yeah. Another mirror, because you know, one outside isn't enough. You need a whole wall mirror over here. You know, we got the green bar soap, just like, oh wait, we got liquid soap and we got bar soap. Wait, no, this is a body bar. JK, liquid hand soap, body bar. This is the body soap. This is lotion. And then we got the little hand towels over here. That's cute. And then we have even more hand towels over there. And I think, what is this? Oh wait, it's the lid for the toilet. No, yeah, it is. It barely hits it, but you know, it's there. And then that's a button for the toilet. And a toilet brush. I didn't know it was a toilet brush. Toilet paper, towels. And there's nothing down there. Oh, and there's a drain right there for the shower. Here's the shower. Honestly, pretty big. Pretty large. Ahaha. So over here we have, I don't know what to call these, baskets. Baskets for the soap, because you know bar soap out there. And then we have so we have body wash, and we have, I'm so confused if that's for your hands. I have no idea if that bar soap's for your hands. Conditioning shampoo, shower head right here, nice and, oh, you can take it out. So we have a pretty large shower head over here, about the size of a plum or something, or a mango. No, not a mango. Maybe no, not a grapefruit. I don't even know. I don't even know how big that is, but it's about the size of my palm. Okay, and then I'm not gonna touch that because then I'm gonna turn on the water and I'm gonna get wet. So that's not gonna be good. And OMG, hooks. You already know. Watch your step. Okay, on to the next. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light off. Okay, next thing. The closet is originally like this in its resting form. Just looks like a wall, but no. It's a closet. Got one large shelf all the way that goes all the way down. It's actually pretty big up there. And then you have one shelf here. You already know. Ahaha. Then we got visors. Well, I mean, that's what we got on the shelf, but you know, just a big shelf. Right? And then down here's a safe. Right? We got all the litty stuff here. another shelf, and then another shelf. So, I mean, I don't know how deep that is. It's about, I don't know. It's, my hand fits in there, but it like my whole shoulder can go in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 little ones, and then a 6th thing on top that's very large. So I guess 6 if you make it like that. IDK. And then on this side, we got hangers. You already know. So, okay, this is the end of that one drawer I was talking about. See, like, it has, like, a dip in, so it goes, like, even longer than, like, it looked like. And then, all these hangers to hang stuff up. You already know we got the Adidas jackets just chilling. And then, there's a bunch of floor space for, like, shoes. And in this case, we got our bags down there. Ah, ha, ha. Okay, it's closed all the way. Liddy. Boom. Another mirror. This is the 3rd mirror in the room. Yo, Lutra.
Hi.
Okay, so next. Then, we have this thing. Honestly, don't be alarmed. It's honestly just like a leather, maybe leather fabric. I don't know what it is. But it's literally just like a foot thingy, I think. And it just has, it doesn't open or anything. They just have this wood thing on top of it to sit on. But I think that's it. Like, there's no, it doesn't open, I don't think. No, it doesn't. It's just a block. And then we got a trash can. Pretty nice trash can. It's all silver, and then it has like the shiny stuff around the edges. Okay. We have, what is this? I think this is, is it water? Yes, it's water. It's sparkling though, and we don't stand sparkling water. And then we have small glasses, a paper thing on top, coffee machine, but it plugs into here, but we can't get it in there. It'll work. Here's some letters, and then the phone. You already know, 911. Oh, JK. No, 911. Okay. Oh, over here. I was literally right by the phone. Notes. You already know. Pen. I'm pretty sure I just said something in Morse code, but I honestly don't know. Okay. Right here in this large compartment, right under the phone and the trash can, or right next to the trash can, boom, mini fridge. And they have a bunch of adult beverages in here in miniature form, which we don't stand, because guess what? We do not drink the devil's juice. And look, it has a little handle, so convenient, so it doesn't smash your fingers. And over here we have another cabinet. And whoa, look at how, look, it's like a kind of weird, what the poop is this? I just found something, but I'm just going to put it back because I don't know what it is, right? So yeah, pretty large. So yeah, it's a kind of weird shape, but I mean, storage is storage. Then we have one last cabinet on the wall. Has 3 little things, and oh my gosh, so that thing I just found, I honestly don't know if you can see it, but I just found that thing that I said I found, and it's right there. It's like built into the floor. This is what I found, and this is right there. Like another one is like right there. I honestly don't know if you can see it, but, oh, trash. Okay. Liddy. And then up here we got the TV. Oh, it moves. Technically this could be used as a mirror too, but I mean, kind of dark. Is there any? Oh, there's HDMI ports in there. Letcha, did you bring an HDMI cable? Yes, because I forgot. I was gonna bring one, but I forgot. There's HDMI ports there, because you know if you want to plug in like Fire Stick or like a Nintendo Switch. Just some guesses. TV remote. Oh my gosh, a very long remote. Why is it so big? There's nothing on the bottom. It's just buttons up here. It could be like this. It could be half the size, but IDK. Then we have a bunch of little books here, magazines. There's a little book back here, and room service binder kind of thing. In this, I'm pretty sure like you could take out all of this stuff and put like your stuff here. like maybe clothes, or I don't know what anyone will put here, but you could put stuff here. We know that. And OMG, I almost forgot this bed right here. It folds down. I'm pretty sure it either folds down or like that. This back part comes off. I think, yeah, this back part comes off, and they put like a sheet on it, and then bed comes out from the ceiling. Yeah. There's a little painting right here. It's so cute. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like abstract kind of flowers, but this is what it looks like to me, IDK. So then we have the bed over here. You already know we got the blue-white thing going on. Blue thing here, blue pillow, accent pieces. Then we have a little stand. And then we have this kind of shelf thing here. It's pretty deep. And then this one. I can't even see all the way into the thing, but I'm pretty sure it's the same deepness as the other one. And then there's a little light here. This turns, but I don't know what does it do? Oh, it's a flashlight. So, okay. So right here. Oh, a reading light. A reading light. So basically, there's a switch right here. And, that's smart. So, turn it on. Boom. Reading light. You can just point it in whatever direction, because, you know, maybe if you want to read while you're sitting in the bed or whatever. So, that's honestly pretty intelligente. We're just going to put it. Oh, you can turn it like, how many is that? It's 270. I'm pretty sure it's 270. Whoa, 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 whoa. We just discovered something else. You can point it up and down too. So it literally moves a bunch of ways. But it either moves like that, and you can go like that. But like, you can't move it down or anything. So like, you can go like that and then put it out. But like, you can't move it that much down or to the side. Okay, I'm quaking. I spent too much time on the light. Then so that one's on the bottom. Oh my god, and there's a USB right there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a USB right there. Then on the top, that's this light. It's like a fabric kind of light. So yeah, the bottom is the flashlight. Top is this light. And then I know we have a light here. That turns on somehow. So we go to the other side. Got the same kind of cabinets, right? It's the same, like it's literally the same exact cabinets. Same reading light, but this one is on this side and stuff. Moves the same way. Also USB. I think you can get a better view of the USB on this side, maybe. IDK. And this one turns on too. So it's basically the same things, just mirrored. So like that one's on this side, other one's on the other side. I don't know. So we have these switches. These switches do something. So this one, I just turned off something, but okay. So this one right here. So like the closest one to you, I think it's the closest one to you. The first one, when you look at it, if you hit that, it's always like this. So you hit it, it turns on the main light. So those three lights over there. Hit it again, it turns it off. This light, so this one, let me turn this on so you can light. This one actually moves up and down and stuff. So when it's like this, and you click the down part, the light around the bed lights up. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So I mean, if you're sitting here, you can just control all the lights in the room. Okay, we're gonna stop that. So yeah, and then we have blue curtains. I think it like, kind of looks black on the camera, but it's blue. And then on the back is white. And then I open, it says open. It is open. This honestly door is really heavy. So we have these beige colored chairs. These chairs are like around the ship. Oh my gosh, I think that's a new terminal over the building. But here's a balcony. I don't like getting too close because, you know, scared of heights kind of thing. But no smoking. If you can see that little sign over there, I think oh my gosh, this is so scary. No smoking on the balcony because, you know, fire hazards. So yeah, we got two of the beige chairs, and we got a small white card table made by Robos Contract Furniture. So it's pretty lit. And you just, there's two handles. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, it turned. I think I locked it by accident. Okay. Okay, so you close it by turning it. Ah! Now I can't even hear anything outside. I don't know if you noticed the difference on camera, but this is door lock. Push to unlock, pull to lock. So, oh my gosh. I don't know how. Oh, I just did it. Okay, so when it's red like that, you push it in. Now it's unlocked and I can open it. See? Oh. See? I can open it. But then, if I lock it, well, if I close it like that, and then over here, I pull this out. Oh my gosh. I honestly shouldn't have pushed this back in. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. There we go. Now, the handle doesn't go past this, because guess what? It's locked. So honestly, pretty clever. That's pretty intelligente, especially if you have children like me who can't even open anything. So this curtain closes all the way here. So yeah, it goes all the way to the end. And then, okay, pretty soft curtain too. So like, I mean, makeshift bed sheets, this could work. So yeah, we're gonna go back over here. Yo. So honestly, I think it's the end of the room tour. I can't find. Oh wait, I almost forgot. The outlets. The outlets are the most important thing. So this outlet. There's 3 outlets right here on the main thing. Oh wait, and there's this switch lights up those 2 lights on the top. So that's pretty lit. Okay, press stop. Oh, you want to get in the stuff?
Not really.
Okay. So I think it's gonna be the end of the room tour.